and Ruby takes care of the pet ka puja, that is the food. Prem takes care of all the well-being, the health part. Dr. Ashok also takes care of the health part. And let me tell you about a very important aspect, which I think a few people mentioned. Dr. Prem mentioned that there's no age for learning. You ran a poll, what is the purpose of life? So let me tell you 2-3 stories, okay? And these are all stories which has happened with me. There's this lady, 92 years old lady, okay? 92 years of lady. She stays in an old age home, okay? She's very lively, very bubbly, very energetic, very beautiful, okay? She writes fantastic poetries, very good poetries. All she wants in her life is that people pay attention to her, listen to her poetry, sit with her, talk to her. She doesn't need a walking stick. She's very healthy. You know what we did? We had a unique project called Project Calendar, and I wanted to show you. I don't know whether you people can see this. This is the lady. She's 92 years old lady. And this was a unique calendar project that we ran. And if you see, she modeled in this. Okay, she was extremely happy to be modeling at the age of 92 years for this calendar. So that gave her a lot of happiness. And we are now planning to shoot her videos of her reciting the poetries, which gives a lot of mental happiness. I'll tell you the second story. There's the 69-year-old man. He's physically challenged. He has polio, so he's physically challenged. Got an amazing voice. Okay, so when he came to know that we do a lot of events, a lot of musical events, a lot of entertainment events, he called me one day, said that, Geeta, can I be a part of your events? But I said, of course, why not? But he said, but there's one problem. I'm an old man. I'm 69 years old. तो क्या आप बूढ़ों को लोगे क्या? तो मैंने बोला बूढ़ों के लिए तो दरवाजा और भी ज्यादा बड़ा खुला हुआ है. एंड वी गॉट हिम ऑन टू बी ऑन आवर पैनल. एंड हम उनको गुजरात लेकर गए. और गुजरात में उन्होंने जब स्टेज पर इतनी बड़ी 600 पीपल वेर देयर, 600 लोगों के सामने जब उन्होंने गाना गाया और पब्लिक खड़े होके उन्हें स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन दिया, तो उनके आंखों में आंसू आ गए. एंड ही टोल्ड द ऑडियंस दैट आई एम नॉट आफ्टर मनी एट दिस एज. आई एम अ रिटायर्ड पर्सन. आई हैव इनफ रिसोर्सेज विथ मी. मेरे पास पैसा है, खाना है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन मुझे जो चाहिए वो है recognition. I need recognition. I need appreciation. I want people to see me. I want people to enjoy what I am doing. So that was a wonderful opportunity that he got. The third story is a woman who is 62 years old, who can't even properly walk. I met her in Delhi during one of my Delhi visits, and of course not during the COVID time. Okay, it was much before that. So I met her in Delhi, and this lady, she told me that, Geeta, मैं डांस कर सकती हूँ क्या? तो I saw that lot of sparkle in her eyes, in her face. 62 years old. वो गई थी सिंगापुर में एक सीनियर सिटीजन्स ग्रुप के साथ घूमने के लिए. एंड डू यू वांट टू हियर दिस? यू वोंट बिलीव इट. वहां she had gone to attend a fashion show. She ended up walking on the ramp over there. She was so energetic. She was so enthusiastic. So and last story I want to tell you about is my own parents. My mother is 70 years old. She was a government officer, very strict. डंडा हमेशा ऐसा रहता था. Very strict woman. Okay, but after retirement, now she recites Sanskrit shlokas and all those prayers and all, and she passes on to a WhatsApp group of younger generation जो उसको सुनते हैं और उसकी meaning को समझते हैं, and they imbibe it in their life. My father is 75 years old and he runs a magazine, a monthly magazine in Gujarat, and he is also a Limca record holder for the same. So all these stories that I have been telling is all senior citizens. So what I wanted to ask is that by adding the word senior in front of citizen, does anything change? You have been a poet, you have been a dancer, you have been a singer, you have been a writer, you have been an excellent comedian, you have been a conversational, you can give good speeches. तो वो सब बंद क्यों हो जाता है once you become senior citizens? ये सारी चीजों को pursue करना इसीलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि इससे mental well-being बढ़ती है. Your mind becomes fresh, your body becomes active, the good food that you eat, the good treatment that you get, your mind is happy, you get a purpose in life. You spoke about purpose in life. You get a meaning in life. So जो भी इंटरेस्ट है आपके, जो भी शौक है आपके, why does it stop after you become a senior citizen? If your body does not allow you to do it, then why can't you teach? You know, I mean, you may have a skill within you which you can teach others. So basically, my organization, we actually ran a competition recently for singing and dancing. It was an online competition where they have to participate inside the house. I got so many entries from senior citizens, and I was so overwhelmed by that, that in India, we still have amazing talent from the senior citizens. So that is exactly what we are planning to launch now, that we are planning to launch a platform for the senior citizens, जहाँ पे आपकी जो भी कला हो, आप हमको बताइए, हमें कांटेक्ट कीजिए और हम आपकी कला को आगे बढ़ाएंगे. There are so many stories. Dr. Ashok told such brilliant stories right now. There are so many people who can hear that stories and learn so much out of it. There is a wealth, there is a treasure in the senior citizens. It is only a matter of tapping that, and that is exactly what our organization does. And I just don't want us to see, all of us are going to be aging one day. Today we are sitting in front of so many people who are in the audience who are senior citizens. Tomorrow we also, in fact, I'm 50 years of age. 10 years later, I will enter into the bracket of senior citizen. Does it mean that I stop my life saying that, oh, अब तो मैं बूढ़ी हो गई हूँ, तो मैं अभी ऐसे बैठूंगी, मेरी जिंदगी यहाँ पर खत्म हो गई है? No. So what is important is that there has to be more and more platforms for the senior citizen, so that they can come up in front of the public, share their experiences, share their stories, share their talent. टैलेंट शोज होने चाहिए जहां पर सीनियर सिटीजन्स आके खुले से अपनी कला को दिखा सके. दे कैन शो देयर टैलेंट एंड दे कैन शो देयर एबिलिटीज. इनफैक्ट डॉक्टर अशोक, आई फेल्ट दैट ही हैज अ वेरी गुड सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. डॉक्टर अशोक, आप बहुत अच्छा कॉमेडी कर सकते हो. सो आई फील दैट अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर प्रोफेशन एज अ डॉक्टर, you should be doing a lot of humor shows also, which is so amazing. I mean, I was very, very happy when I heard you, and I wish I was not in front of the camera. I would have laughed loud, you know. So you have such a brilliant talent. There's so much of talent in India, in the senior citizens. We have to bring that out, provide a platform. I'm doing it from my side, whatever little I can do. That's exactly what I wanted to present in this particular platform, because we have a lot of senior citizens here, we have a lot of influencers here. I want this voice to be heard. That's it. I hope, Manoj, I did not exceed my time.